We found this hangout spot in Antipolo wherein bukod sa may enjoy nyo yung kanilang cafe that offers wide varieties of food and drinks, meron na nga rin silang function hall for special events and private resorts na may enjoy ng barkada at pamilya. And take note, lahat ng yan nasa iisang lugar lang. Hello Jolly-natics, we are here today at Playlist Cafe na located dito sa loob ng Grand Heights Subdivision, Antipolo, Rizal. Pwede nyo rin sila ipin sa maps kaya madali nyo lang din mahahanap. We book a stay dito sa kanilang cave staycation, sakto para sa mga gatherings for your friends and families for up to 20 packs. May enjoy nyo na yung kanilang swimming pool with kiddie pool and jacuzzi. Included na rin dyan yung kanilang dorm type bedroom na kasya up to 15 packs. May beanbags, air condition at magandang karaoke and sound system setup. For more privacy naman, meron din silang suite room for 3 to 4 packs. May malinis na CR, water dispenser and free use of stove and grill, pati na rin mga tables and chairs. Ito naman yung regular rate nila for the cave staycation, pero ang good news for the month of May, June and July, naka-promo sila for only 14,000 pesos, 20 hours na yan. Kung naghahanap na rin kayo ng venue for small or big events, pwede rin yan dito. Meron silang function hall dito sa second floor that can accommodate up to 150 packs. Sa roof deck area naman, meron ding function room for up to 50 packs at sila na rin mismo yung magka-cater ng food dito. Kaya naman for any inquiries or exact details na gusto nyong malaman, PM lang kayo sa page nila. Punta naman tayo sa cafe nila dito sa third floor. As you can see, very classy yung looks and vibe. May overlooking alfresco area nga rin sila dito, and syempre sumubok tayo ng ilan sa kanilang mga ino-offer. Meron sila ditong crispy calamari, masarap na pika-pika and for sharing. Meron ding chicken wings with 3 kinds of dip. Merong salted egg, butter garlic, and buffalo sauce. For pasta naman, we tried their lasagna. Okay yung serving nito with 2 garlic breads and more on parang Italian style yung sauce niya. For sandwich naman, we had their chili chicken with melted cheese. For me, ang sarap nito, may pagka-toasted and crispy yung mismong bread and flavorful yung mismong chicken na mas lalong sumasarap dahil dun sa melted cheese. And based sa panlasa ko, hindi naman siya masyado maanghang. Kung medyo health conscious naman kayo, meron sila ditong power protein bowl, grilled chicken yan with steamed broccoli, tomato, egg and sesame on top. For main course naman, we had their beef tapa. Unique din yung approach nila dito. Definitely malambot yung beef and nasa salty side yung lasa niya, which is best to partner dun sa garlic rice. They also have the Lola's kare-kare. Marami na rin ako natikman na kare-kare, and for me, pasado to, hindi tinipid sa serving and best to have with their bagoong. Roast beef with black pepper sauce naman, sobrang lambot din nito, and yes, yung nadala mismo dito sa dish na to is yung black pepper sauce. Ito yung tipo na matitikman mo sa mga social na catering And for drinks naman, marami rin kayong choices dito like their matcha latte, matcha green tea na talagang nagustuhan ni Kuya, Oreo cookie na best for kids, blueberry cream cheese na nagahalo yung alat at tamis, at itong pinaka nagustuhan namin na berry bliss na fruity and refreshing at the same time. And syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala dyan yung kanilang mga hot drinks. Open ang cafe nila daily from 10 AM to 10 PM except Monday. Kaya naman kung naghahanap kayo ng date spot or di kaya naman private resort and events place for big, small or kahit anong occasions man yan, then you should try here at Playlist Cafe. So paano until our next food trip?